English to Pashto short sentences. Not only you, sirap tana. Not only you. I wish I were like you. काश چې زه ستا په شان وې. I wish I were like you. Wear bangles. بنگړي په لاس کا. Wear bangles. Break the lock. تاله ماته کا. Break the lock. Otherwise ginino. Otherwise. What happened to him? هغه له څه چل وشو. What happened to him? The dog bit him. هغه سپي وچیچو. The dog bit him. Where? کوم ځای. Where? Invite him for dinner. هغه خوراک له راوغواړه. Invite him for dinner. Never. هیڅ چرینا. Never. Rest is your choice. باقی ستا خوښه. Rest is your choice. He has learned a lesson. هغه سبق زده کړی دی. He has learned a lesson. Tenant. کرایه‌دار. Tenant. Landlord. مالک مکان. Landlord. She was dancing. هغې ګډا کوله. She was dancing. I was making the video. ما ویډیو جوړوله. I was making the video. Take revenge. بدله واخله. Take revenge. Apologize to me. زمانه معافي وغواړه. Apologize to me. She is not the right girl. هغه صحیح جینۍ نه ده. She is not the right girl. He is scaring everybody. هغه ټول یری. He is scaring everybody. یا هغه هر څوک یری. Wedding dress. د واده جوړه. Wedding dress. Responsibility. ذمہ داری. Responsibility. Don't give up so easily. دومره په اسانۍ باندې خار مه منه. Don't give up so easily. I have seen. ما لیدلی دی. I have seen. The dog runs toward me. سپی ما طرف ته رامنډه وهي. The dog runs toward me. I'm afraid of dogs. زه د سپو نه یریږم. I'm afraid of dogs. Don't make me angry. ما قهروه ما. Don't make me angry. I'm angry. زه قهر یم. I'm angry. Read the message. message پڑھاو کا. Read the message. Carefully. په غور سره. Carefully. Who says I don't love you? څوک وایي چې زه ستا سره مینه نه کوم. Who says I don't love you? This often happens. داسې کله ناکله کیږي. This often happens. He is so mischievous. هغه ډیر شیطان دی. He is so mischievous. Who does he take after? هغه د چا په شان دی. Who does he take after? Give me the charger. charger را لراکا. Give me the charger. The charger has gone out of order. چارجر خراب شوی دی. The charger has gone out of order. Why are you so skeptical? ته دومره شکی ولی یې؟ Why are you so skeptical? Don't be skeptical. شکی مه جوړیږه. Don't be skeptical. What a beautiful dress. څومره ښکلې جوړه ده. What a beautiful dress. You are looking so pretty. ته ډېره ښکلې ښکارې. You are looking so pretty. I can't believe. زما یقین نه راځي. I can't believe. It is really you. دا رښتیا ته یې. It is really you. I cannot find my book. ما خپل کتاب ونه مانتو. I cannot find my book. I cannot find my shirt. ما خپل قمیص ونه مانتو. I cannot find my shirt. Food is about to burn. خوراک سوځېدو واله دی. Food is about to burn. Stop blaming. تور لګول بند کا. Stop blaming. I slept. زه وخویدم. I slept. I slept 3 times. زه 3 ځله وخویدم. I slept 3 times. Consider this your own home. دا خپل کور وګڼه. Consider this your own home. We let it happen. مونږ داسې ورکولو لا ورکو. We let it happen. I lied to you. ما تا ته دروغ وی. I lied to you. I'm sorry. معافی غواړم. I'm sorry. Buy it. دا واخله. Buy it. Sell it. دا خرڅ کا. Sell it. Don't be sad. خفه کېږه مه. Don't be sad. Be happy. خوشاله اوسه. Be happy. Don't be a fool. بیوقوفه مه جوړیږه. Don't be a fool. Be my friend. زما ملګری جوړ شه. Be my friend. I will never forget it. زه به دا هیڅ چېرې هېر نه کړم. I will never forget it. Show my room. زما کمره وښیه. Show my room. This is your room. دا ستا کمره ده. This is your room. That is your room. دغه ستا کمره ده. That is your room. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.